Hey, good morning, kindergarten friends. It's Friday. It's also Silly Hat and Silly Socks Day today in the pickup line. So I can't wait to see you this afternoon. I've got more packets of stuff for you to do with some fun stuff thrown in there as well as we get through these last few weeks of school together. And obviously together is remotely, but it at least kind of still feels like we're together. So I think I found this as my silly hat for today. So hopefully you won't be able to miss me there in the line. And I look forward to your silly hats and your silly socks too. So today though is Friday. Like I said, it's May 15th. So your date would be 5-15-20. It's all groups of 5 for today for our date. Then I've got to move out of the way with my super big hat here. If we did our pattern, yesterday was a blue flower. So if you're looking at your pattern and it's red, red, green, blue, blue, red, red, green, blue, blue, red, red, green, blue, and after a blue, there'd be another blue. You're right. Blue. And then, because it's Friday, let's do Saturday for tomorrow too. So look, the 16th is back to a red one. So blue and red. And then I noticed on my calendar, we have a birthday on Sunday. It's Christian's birthday. So hopefully if we get a chance to see him on our Zoom Monday, we can sing to him and wish him happy birthday. And then we have another birthday next week as well. So it's kind of a busy birthday week for our kindergarten group, which is so fun and exciting. So let's keep going though. If we were to count our straws, we were at 157 yesterday. Which means today would be 158. One group of 100, 5 groups of 10, and 8 ones. 158. Our password is out. O-U-T. Get on out. I hope the rain gets out of here, or else I'm gonna really need this big hat for the pickup line today. And our memory verse, verily, verily, I say unto you, he who believes in me will have everlasting life. And that's found in John 6:47. Okay, so those are all the things I want you practicing today. Let's get to what I have for you to do. So here's your out page. Oh, the light's kind of funny today. I'm so sorry. Out, maybe it helps if I go this way. Your calendar math as well. Then I have a V page for you. It looks like this, and it's kind of hard to see that this is where you would have lowercase v's, and then over here, very faintly, the copy machine was just struggling today a little, or when we made this a couple weeks ago, and it's very light. It's all lowercase v's, please, for today, lowercase v's. And then you're gonna color the V and circle the item that starts with the letter V as well. Then, since it's Friday for reading today, I have your half sheet V book. Go ahead and highlight passwords and the letter V. Be a detective today, if you would, please. There's some things in here. One of the boys had this as a show and tell yesterday. It was really fun to do show and tell in small groups with you. Then, your ABC book. You're gonna find the one that says V is for, and write about whatever you're choosing for the letter V. In your packets today, while I'm on this, in your packets today, I did go through work, and if you turned in ABC pages and half sheet books, I found them, and I'm giving them back to you. And I was going through some files that I had saved, and I found everybody's J page who did a J page. So I'm sending your J page home with you. And what I would recommend doing is either cutting it down. So like here's Caleb's E page. He wrote E's for Emily. Oh, I like her because she likes me. And as his mama, I just stapled it onto his page in his book so that he doesn't have to write it again, and so that we just have that page in his book. And then Caleb's K page also was from a few weeks ago, and he wrote so much on this one that I stapled it on the side so that he could turn it over, we could turn it over and read the back, and then his other K page is underneath it, but that way he doesn't feel like he has to write it again, and his book is complete. So I'm giving you back the pages that I found. And if you have pages at home, stick them in there yourself too. Okay, so I don't have phonics for you because I really want to see your face this afternoon at the pickup line. The last thing I do have is math, and it's similar to what we did together on Wednesday. It's comparing, so it's using words this time instead of longer, smaller, shorter. We're going to talk taller. So the questions about this one are the heights of two objects. So height is how tall you are. So this one's talking about which chair is taller and which one's shorter and which one's about the same. And then you'll need your Unifix cubes, because this page you're going to do a cube train that's taller. This one you're going to do a cube train that's shorter. So remember how we did that last time, but we started at the side to measure. This time we're starting at the bottom to find the height. So we found the lengths. Now we're finding the heights. So remember, when you do your cube trains too, they both have to start at the black line when you're measuring. Your items have to start at the same starting point, or else it's not a fair race. Someone gets to start ahead. They have to both start at the same starting point. Okay, that's all I've got for you. You can kind of finish up whatever else you have from this week if you have a mystery science or a exploring science, or maybe today, this morning's a good idea to go put a cup outside and see how much rain you collect this morning. But I look forward to seeing you this afternoon around lunchtime in the pickup line. And if you can't make it then, we'll have your packets by the front door. So bring your silly hats or your silly socks, and I look forward to seeing you soon.